Very good morning and welcome to my presentation. Riddhi this side. Today I shall talk about voice changes. This is one of the most important topics in the English grammar. It's important for examination seekers, students, teachers, and all kind of exams. One or two types of questions are being asked on voice changes. While I shall talk about in length and breadth of the topic, but I shall go from level 1 to level 2, level 3, level 4 like that. So as we move towards higher level, it will be more difficult. So every level will have some improvement in the terms of difficulty. Therefore, today I shall talk only about the level 1. Once it will be finished, we'll go to the level 2. So level 1 is the basic level. So let's move. So voice changes are of two types, active and passive. So either active will have to convert it to passive or vice versa. Active is in the form of subject, verb plus object. Please mind, generally to change a voice you need to have a transitive verb, means it should have a object. So that's why the subject, verb and object would be there. Then how we will have to change it? Then the object, be verb plus past participle plus by subject is the passive form in the basic form. So let's see an example. Now we'll see how does the active sentence look like. As I said earlier, active sentence will consist of subject, verb and object. In this case, he is the subject, play is the verb, football is the object. So to change it into passive voice, we'll have to follow some rules. As I said earlier, in case of passive voice, football and he, the subject and object, will replace each other. So as you can see the arrow. The football, this has come in place of subject, and subject he will go to the last in place of football. Let's see how the sentence. The sentence here is a passive voice. So as per the syntax, football, this is played by him is the passive form. Here in this case, if you see, I have written the formula below of it. So object subject means football has come to first. Then we are having the be verb is. Then the past participle of the main verb play, that's played. Plus we have added by plus him. So that's the passive form. So this is the basic rule where how the subject and main verb will get replaced. So we'll have to be very mindful in this rule. If we can understand it, then everything will be very easy. Now as you can see that in this case the be verb is the is. So we should know now what are the be verb that can be formed. So in this example I have given the present indefinite tense, and the subject is the third person singular number. That's why the be verb is there. Now let's see what are the various forms of the be verb. So present tense be verb is am, is, are. In my previous example, he plays football. It is a present indefinite tense. So to change it in the passive form, we have used is as a be verb because football is a third person is a singular number in the third person. So that's why you have taken is. Suppose the same example was in the past tense, past form. In that case, the to form it to the passive form, the be verb would be was and were. In case of future tense, the be verb will have to taken as be, simply be. Suppose it is a continuous tense, whether present, past, or future, the absolute be verb would be being. And in case of perfect tense, it will be being. So please cram this one, that's very necessary. In case of various tenses, what type of be verb will be used, because be verb will have to be there as per our rule. Now moves are made to see the other uses. Now if you see that example, football is played by him. In the passive form, active form it was he plays football. So when a changing subject to the object in the passive form, in this case he has been replaced by him. Again this is no rule, we'll have to just follow the syntax. Whichever subject will be in the active voice, what will be in the passive voice. So it's a thumb rule that you need to follow. So in our case, as I said, he plays football, it's passive form, football is played by him. So if you see my chart, so he was there, him is there. So he has been replaced by him. So now in the case of, suppose in the first row, so I play football. In that case, the correct sentence would have been football is played by me. Suppose we play football. In that case, the correct sentence will be football is played by us. So the same order will follow. So if it is understood properly, your next things will be very, very easy. So please concentrate on this slide. In the next slide, in the next presentation, I shall go to the level 2. With this, thank you very much, and keep on watching all my slides, all my presentations, all the levels. Then you will have a mastery over voice changes. At the end, I shall give you the exercises that you need to do for yourself. So keep on watching my next presentations. Thank you very much. Please do like it and share it, and also be a subscriber to my channel. Thank you.